Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install JDK on a Mac. First step is let's open up a terminal and then check if Java is installed or not. It is not. So now let's download it. We can go to this link right here. I will paste all the details in the description below the video. Open up the browser and paste this link that you just copied. And so as you can see, as of today, the latest version is Java 15.0.1. Let's click on JDK download here and select the installer. So since we want to install it on a Mac, let's download this installer here. Click on accept and then download. This might take a couple of minutes. Alright, that's done. Let's open it up. Alright, that's it. It's as simple as that. So now the installation is complete. So if you prefer, you can move the installer to the trash. Now let's go back to the command prompt and rerun the last command again. There you go. As you can see, the version is 15.0.1, which is what we downloaded. Now the next step is to set up the Java home environment variable. In order to do that, we need to create this file called bash_profile. And before we go there, let's find out where is Java exactly installed. And there is this handy command to find that out. You can paste this here. Since the version that we installed is version 15, we can run that and it should show it. Or if not, you can just omit it and then run it as well. So as you can see, this is where Java is installed. Now let's go back to setting up the Java home. Let's create this file. If it doesn't already exist, you might want to create it first and open that file. Now you can paste this export command there, and the value that you see here is nothing but the output of this command in step 4. So copy the contents of it, paste it and save the file. And now you have to run this source command, which would run and execute the contents of this file here. There you go. Now let's check if Java home is set or not. So echo Java home. There you go. So as you can see, now Java home value is set. So yeah, that's it guys. So as you can see, it is pretty simple to install JDK and set Java home on a Mac. So that's all I have. If you liked my video, please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.